welcome. I wasn't expecting many visitors today. Maybe it's time for a little story, shall we? This is a story of intrigue. A story of blood. One of murder. 2 men, 1 island. This is the story of Sir Rainsford.
Contrary to the popular ending of this little tale, Rainsford is bested in their original game. Zareth had won, but that was not it for Rainsford's tale. He awoke on the island where he began, with stir.
Who are you? I'm a spirit, here to guide you through your destiny. Your entire life, you've been a hunter. Now you'll be hunted. When you fell off your yacht out at sea, you had died. That is why you were out on this island. The last thing you experienced was a trial. General Zaroff killed you. Now, he will attempt to kill you 3 times. You must kill him. Just go to heaven. You must kill him to go to hell, and you will lose.
Frightened and confused by the ultimatum the spirit had given him, Rainsford ran to where he did not know, but deep into the forest his tracks had lay. But little did Rainsford know that Zaroff was close behind. It didn't take long for Zaroff to find Rainsford, and within seconds he had him in his sights. And within seconds, Rainsford had failed his first trial, and he was only down to 2. Rainsford woke, this time with only 2 attempts left, and in an unfamiliar place.
Trial 2!
Rainsford thought he had the upper hand. He hid in the brush, waiting for Zaroff to approach. Little did he know, he had everything but that. Bam! And the crash of his blade. Rainsford had lost the trial, and Zaroff was again triumphant. These trials had been expensive by Rainsford. One remained. Would he be able to capture this chance to kill Zaroff, or would he be doomed to eternal damnation?
Trial 3.
This was going to prove to be the toughest challenge yet for Rainsford. Zaroff had indeed become a truly better hunter. He stalked the woods, looking for the perfect opportunity to capture his prey and send him to hell forever. But Rainsford had also improved. After 2 failed trials, he realized that full frontal attack was not the best option. Patience was truly the only way to take out his dangerous foe. Finally their paths crossed, and it appeared that damnation was nigh for Rainsford. Seemingly out of nowhere, Rainsford dodged a shot. Zaroff tried to reload as fast as he could, to no avail. He decided to leave his gun and go for his knife. Richard
got up and started to run after Zaroff. Flash of blades, hit for hit, they were at each other's throats. But only one could win. Who would win, few may know. Waiting for a chance to strike. In and out they weaved, looking for each other's weak points, like an animal and a hunter. You are blow for blow, fight after fight, clash for clash. Who will win? Racer takes advantage. Dark loses his knife. He's on the ground. Looks like the hunter's become the hunter. And finally, on his third attempt, Rainford is successful.
And so, in the end, Rainsford did truly best Zaroff. But did he really? We may never know, for that is one of the many perils of the hunt.